This is an overview of the services offered at the University of Houston Clear Lake Writing Center. So what does the Writing Center do? Well, our vision is to create and sustain a culture of writing among the students, faculty, staff, and alumni of the University of Houston Clear Lake. And at the heart of this vision are our peer writing consultants. The consultants at the Writing Center encourage and skillfully guide you through your writing project, whether it's for a specific assignment or if you just need to brush up on your general writing skills. Come with your ideas, notes, a rough draft, or a nearly finished product. You'll find a positive, supportive environment to inspire you to find new methods and fresh perspectives to complete your work. This page is an overview of major services we offer, starting with our most popular service, online and face-to-face consultations, where you can talk to a consultant on an appointment or drop-in basis. We use Microsoft Teams for our online consultations, so you have a wide variety of text chat, audio, video, and file sharing options during your session. We also provide drop-off consultations where you can submit up to 5 pages of a paper you're working on and receive an email with a link to a short video offering feedback. 2 other services the Writing Center runs are workshops and writing circles, where you can meet with other UHCL writers to discuss academic and creative writing topics and do writing together. Finally, the Writing Center has course-embedded consultants to support in-class writing activities for select UHCL courses. To make an appointment with the Writing Center, you can visit us at uhcl.mywconline.com. If you're visiting us face-to-face, you can locate us in the Student Services and Classroom Building in room 2101. Our office is on the 2nd floor on the right when you're coming up the stairs. Earlier I mentioned we offer online consultations. These take place on Microsoft Teams, where you'll log in with your UHCL email and password. You can meet with a consultant online at tinyurl.com/online writing studio, which will take you directly to our online writing studio in Microsoft Teams. Finally, here are some additional Writing Center resources you might want to check out. For helpful information such as our office hours or our writing guides and tip sheets, visit our website at uhcl.edu/writing-center. For the latest Writing Center news, events, and writing-related content, you can visit us on Facebook and Instagram at UHCL Writing Center and on YouTube, where our name is UH Clear Lake Writing Center. Thank you for watching this presentation on the Writing Center services. If you need to contact us, please give us a call at 281-283-2910 or send us an email or Teams message at writingcenter@uhcl.edu. We hope to see you soon!